you two are. We waited for you for 4 hours. Where the hell have you been?
Look, Lois, I know you're mad, but I think this will prove that I did the right thing.
God, people, look at that. That is some melt in your mouth brownie. Look at that. Look at, just take a look. Let's step back and look at that. See that? Oh my God. Wow. I'm going to start on by sifting in the cocoa. Couldn't find my better sifter, so I'm going to use a small one, flour. Okay, we're going to add in our sugar, egg that's been scrambled already, 2 tablespoons of water. Don't worry about the ingredients because I'll leave it in the description. And that is some sea salt, some canola oil, chocolate chips. Okay, we just now sprayed that down. We're going to put this in there. We're going to put this in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's done. Now pull this out of the oven. And I don't need to tell you, this this smells wonderful right now. We're going to cut this, plate it up, and then we'll do a taste test on this. Okay. We're going to do a taste test on this. Look at that, people. Look at that. Look how that just... See that? That is delicious, people. Oh my God, that's good. I also want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you ain't subscribed yet, hit that bell, send us a notification, and I'll see you next time.